It marks 1 week since a windstorm took down trees across Middle Tennessee. And if you're still assessing tree damage, the experts have some advice for you. We spoke to David Mercer, a forester with the University of Tennessee Extension.
Some things you want to look for: if the tree has lost about 40 to maybe 50% of its crown, its living branches, then there's a good chance that tree's not going to make it. And rather than spending a lot of money trying to revive that tree, you might be better off taking it down. And because problem trees will remain problem trees.
And he has some reminders about safety as well. If you're planning to cut trees this weekend, remember to look up if you're starting from below. Dead limbs could come crashing down on you once you start cutting. And also watch out for trees that have fallen on each other. It's a type of domino effect. Mercer says those branches can be very dangerous.
You'll have what we call tension wood, which is wood, branches that have been bent over because another tree has fallen on top of them, and it leads to what we call tension wood. And so when you cut into that, it can spring back, that branch can, with great force, and can kill you.
Also says if you are not knowledgeable enough or comfortable using a saw, you should ask for help. And he has a list of trees you can plant if you're looking for one that will withstand all of the windstorm. They are oak, hickory, beech, dogwood, holly, and magnolia trees.